In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the device lockdown feature on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Turn Windows. Best result should come back with Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. Go down and locate the device lockdown entry in here. Go ahead and expand that and make sure that is filled in and checkmarked for all these items. And then select OK. Give that a moment to install. And then Windows will need to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. Select Restart Now. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.